How to save Instagram stories with music to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can save your Instagram stories with music to gallery. Now to do so, first open up the Instagram app and head into your plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and tap on story and you'll be able to either create a story or just select one. Now I'll just select a quick video from my gallery here. And then to add a music, first what you want to do is tap on the little icon that you can see just beside the text icon there. Tap on it and you'll be able to add music from here. Select the music, and once you select the music, simply tap on done. Once you tap on done, the music will be added to your story, and what you want to do is tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and then what you want to do is tap on save. Now here you can see the notification popping up, save without music. So if you try to save music from Instagram directly, your music won't be saved. Instead, only your video will be saved. You can see the music will be removed popping up there. So cancel this, and what you want to do is post your story. Add this to your story, and then what you want to do is head into your profile, and once you head into your profile, tap on share profile and you'll get the option to copy the link. Simply tap on copy link, and once the link is copied, head into the browser, any browser that you use, and once you head into the browser, what you want to do is search for Instagram story downloader and tap on this first link, storysaver.net. Once you tap on it, you'll get an interface like this, and here enter Instagram account username. You can paste your link here and tap on download. Once you paste your link and clear this captcha right here, and once you do this, your video will load up. Now here you can see my profile has loaded up here and my story is loaded up here. Now you can save this from here. Tap on simply save as video and you can download this from here. Tap on three dots, tap on download and download the video from here, and this way you can save your Instagram story with music to gallery. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.